Unlock crystal clear audio for your Nikon Z5 with the DJI Mic 2. Let's get you set up for pro-level sound. First, power on both your DJI Mic 2 transmitter and receiver. You should see indicator lights illuminate, showing they're ready to go. Next, attach the DJI Mic 2 receiver to your Nikon Z5's hot shoe. It's a secure, snap-on connection, ensuring it stays put during your recording. Now, locate the receiver's 35mm output port and connect it to the Nikon Z5's dedicated microphone input port. This is the crucial link for your audio. With the physical connections made, let's configure your Nikon Z5. Navigate to the camera's menu, usually accessed by a menu button. Look for the audio or sound settings section. Find the microphone option and ensure it's set to external microphone or mic in to utilize the DJI Mic 2. Within the same audio settings, you'll want to adjust the microphone recording level. A good starting point is around 7,580% for most scenarios, but you can fine-tune this later by monitoring your audio. Clip the DJI Mic 2 transmitter to your subject, or for interviews, attach the included lavalier microphone to the transmitter for discreet and clear audio capture. Before you start rolling, do a quick audio test. Speak into the microphone and check the audio level meters on your Nikon Z5 screen. The needles should bounce within the optimal range while you're not hitting the red, which indicates distortion. The DJI Mic 2 receiver typically pairs automatically, but if you encounter issues, consult your DJI Mic 2 manual for manual pairing instructions. You'll see a solid connection light indicating they are linked. And that's it. You're now ready to capture stunning visuals with equally impressive audio using your DJI Mic 2 and Nikon Z5. Happy recording!